Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is another Lenormand because I like to give you lots of choice from Lenormands. It's a growth category, so we're seeing quite a few of the alternative decks, and it's lovely that they have like these various themes coming through them. 36 cards. This is by Marcus Katz and Tally Goodwin, who run the Tarot Professionals Facebook group. I've been there for years, actually. It's a really good source of information. Now this is a low scarabeo, which means that it is usually, you have it in multiple languages. No, it's all in English. Oh no, there we go. Okay, so you've got the first half of it is in English, where you've got each of the card meanings, how to read them, questions, and then you have at the end, yeah, so you've got all of the different cards there with an index there, and then how to do the layouts at the beginning of the little booklet. Okay, so that's the Fairy Lenormand. Now these cards really are quite reminiscent as well. Again, actually I said this with a recent deck I was looking at. These feel, they've got the glossy finish. They feel very, very sturdy in the hand, very Thelema. I do enjoy working with the bigger cards. Okay, so let's have a look. And you've got also the number and the old playing card is represented on each of the cards as well. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Look, so this is the Fairy Lenormand. Now, if you feel that I'm going too quickly, you can slow this right down, or you can speed me up because it's all on the controls from in the YouTube settings. I'm interested to know what you think, so please leave me a comment. Is the Lenormand something that you've been interested in? Are you reading with the Lenormand? Have you got a favourite deck that you're using? I absolutely love the Dreaming Way Lenormand, and actually that's a smaller card. I like the Gilded Reverie, that's a really gorgeous deck. And also I like the Thelema, clearly, because I mentioned it at the beginning. There you go. So that is the Fairy Lenormand by Marcus and Tally. I wonder if they've got a bit in there about them, actually, at the very back, maybe. I should have looked at this book in more detail, really. It's a really comprehensive system, and I know they've got some tutorials that they do through their website, not their website, their Facebook group. Okay, if you want to know any more, please leave a comment. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.